When the bottom of a paper cup with a lid is folded too much, it means that the height of the folding furnace is too high. The height of the folding furnace needs to be lowered. Before adjustment, use a pen to draw the current position of the folding bottom furnace along the fixed turntable. Loosen the 2 screws under the folding bottom stove. Turn the fixed turntable clockwise to lower the folding bottom furnace. After adjustment, move the folding furnace back to the marked position. Make sure the bottom of the folding furnace and the bottom of the mold are centered. If the position is offset, the bottom of the paper cup is uneven. Tighten these 2 screws. After tightening, the adjustment is completed.